Well, this is my life right now. Ooh. Alrighty, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do the top speed run, SSR 150. So we'll see what we can get her up to today. Should be a quick video. Take her around for a little cruise, get her all warmed up. Hope y'all having a great day. Make sure to check out the top speed run 2 on the Indian Razor. We hit 71.5 miles per hour, which is insane. It was tuned at 10,000 kilowatts. Wednesday night I went out for a cruise with my homies and we turned her up to 12,000 kilowatts. So we'll do another top speed run, see what we get out of it. Don't forget about the Indian EFTR free giveaway. We're giving away a brand new Indian EFTR, brand new in the box. All you have to do is subscribe to win. We're going to be asking a simple question from one of the videos. As soon as we get closer to 1,000 subscribers, I'll release more information about the giveaway. So please like, comment, and subscribe. Like I said, this should be a short video for you guys. We're just going to do a top speed run on the SSR 150. Up, so I think we're just gonna we'll hit the gravel in the street right there. Should be long enough for us to get a top speed run. If not, maybe we'll do the street right next to the houses they're building. So some more out of her. I think we can maybe hit 60. Not too bad. We'll do a top speed run also on the 125 SSR. So this one is a 5-speed. It's 1 down, 4 up. The SSR 125 is a just 4 up, so 4-speed. So like I said, I think we could hit 60 in this. I just ran out of real estate there. And I definitely want to bounce it off the limiter to actually get the full top speed. So was still pulling at 55, so. I would imagine that one's between 45 and 50, maybe 45. But you know, nothing compares to that Razor Indian, man. Just that pull to 70, 72 miles an hour is just insane. It is just so fast. have plans to take this thing to the same spot that we did the top speed run for the Indian. So I want to actually hit over there, and there's a couple nice paths that are behind that park that we could go up to the railroad tracks. So I'm going to do some riding behind there and jump up on the tracks and kind of take the tracks down a little bit. So I think that'll be some a cool video. So we'll hit a top speed run there, and we'll hit the railroad tracks and some of those paths behind that park. So be on the lookout for that video coming up, because 55 is good for sure, but I know this thing has more in it. So if we could hit 60, that'd be awesome. I'd be super pumped about that. I'll do the top speed run on the 125 this weekend for sure, because I know that thing I could hit in that little strip right there. I know I could for sure hit top speed right there. top speed run on the SSR 150. I hope you guys have a great weekend. Be safe, and we'll catch you on the next one.